Hey, fellow mathers, welcome to the podcast where math is figure-outable. I'm Pam.
And I'm Kim.
And this episode is a Math Strat Chat episode, and it's looking good so far, where we chat about our math strategies. Every Wednesday evening, I throw out a math problem on social media, and people from around the world chat about the strategies they use and comment on each other's thinking.
That was amazing. Oh.
Thanks.
So this Wednesday, our math problem was, which is more orangey? 6 ounces of orange mix in 8 ounces of water, or 8 ounces of mix in 10 ounces of water? How would you solve this problem? Go ahead and pause the podcast, solve it however you would like, and then come on back to hear how we're going to solve it.
Woo!
I bet some people are like, man, that girl, she's dingy.
Nah, we have too much fun. Hey, so I'm just going to point out that one thing that could happen with this problem is that somebody could look at, and this is similar to the problem that we did last week. They could look at the differences and say, in fact, it's similar to the problem we did last week and the week before, that the differences are the same. So like a couple weeks ago, we did 30 to 50. That's a difference of 20. And compared that to 40 to 60, that's a difference of 20. But the ratios are not equivalent. Yeah. The next week, it was 12 to 15 and 20 to 23. So again, a difference of 3, ratio equivalent. Today, we have 6 to 8, 8 to 10, difference of 2. Are the ratios equivalent? Maybe they're the same orangey, Kim.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to go first.
Okay.
I'm going to scale down. 6 to 8 scales to 3 to 4, and 8 to 10 scales to 4 to 5. And now I can do the 1 unit fraction away from the total thing. 3 to 4 is only 1/4 away from a ratio of 1 to 1. And 4 to 5 is only 1/5 away from the total 1 to 1. So what does that mean? So 4 to 5, let's see, it's mix per water, right? So 4 to 5 has a higher ratio. It's closer to 1 because it's only 1/5 away from 1. A higher ratio of mix to water. So 4 to 5 is more orangey.
Nice. Maybe that's like the ultimate orangey is a 1-to-1. Oh. So you were just a little shy of the ultimate orangey.
That sounds really orangey.
Okay. Well, I appreciated these numbers that you came up with this week because I know that 6/8 is 75%.
Of course you're going to.
And I know that 8/10 is 80%. So I knew that 8 to 10 is more orangey.
I hate you just a little bit when you think percents and I don't.
You know what? Listen, I was actually thinking as I was listening to your strategy, I was like, man, I'm sad that I just went straight to percents. So because of some of the numbers, they just pop into my head. And that means that sometimes I don't do a great job of saying like, don't do that, Kim. So,
all right, so I'm going to try to think more percenty and you're going to be more open to not only doing percents.
Yeah. It sounds great.
Because we have access to that, so we can.
All right. Well, we can't wait to see what you do every week. We love it when you join us on Math Strat Chat and let us know how you're thinking about the problems. But mostly we love when you comment on each other's thinking.
Love that. Y'all, we post the problems on Wednesdays around 7 p.m. Central. When you answer, tag me and use the hashtag MathStratChat. Then join us here to hear how we're thinking about the problems. We love having you as part of the Math is Figure-Outable movement because math is figure-outable.